Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Amandahair. They did send me this loose wave 26-inch wig and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this easy beginner friendly look. It also is glueless, so let's get right into the video.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they do I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm hitting his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they do Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out, bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they do it.
But you give it me
So this is the finished look. I decided to do the wig glueless because I was breaking out around my face due to me using that new lace glue and the new mousse. So I decided to do the wig glueless, y'all. When I say this is so convenient, I probably would never go back to like actual lace glue. I feel like spraying it is so much better. Not only that, I don't get to keep my wigs up for that much long due to me having other companies to promote, y'all. So I definitely feel like this glueless look is definitely like it, honestly, and it is summertime. But this wig is a 10 out of 10 for me, y'all. Everything about this company will be in the description box. You definitely can go check out Amandahair. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase as well. If you're interested in shopping with them, let them know that I did send you. Everything about this company will be in the description box, y'all. The exact link to this wig as well.
In my body, you better not let me go.